Today, we're diving into the world of one of hip-hop's most prominent figures and his jaw-dropping collection of cars. Dominique Jones, widely recognized as Lil Baby, has transformed his life from the streets of Atlanta, and his garage reflects his remarkable journey. With several platinum hits under his belt and a net worth estimated at over $8 million, the Drip Too Hard artist has curated an astonishing array of exotic and luxury automobiles. Let's explore his remarkable collection of automotive brilliance, and be prepared because number 4 will absolutely shock you. Lil Baby, a well-known recording artist, gained significant recognition following the release of his second studio album, My Turn, in early 2020. This album marked his first #1 on the charts and achieved triple platinum certification. He also collaborated with Lil Durk on a project called The Voice of the Heroes, which similarly topped the Billboard charts. In addition to his musical achievements, Lil Baby is celebrated for his lavish car collection, showcased at the Coachella Auto Show in Atlanta. His impressive fleet boasts around 24 vehicles valued at approximately $5 million. Among his collection are standout models like the 2018 Mercedes-AMG GT-R, 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo, 2019 Chevrolet Corvette C8, 2021 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, 2020 Bugatti Chiron, and other exotic cars. As one of the leading figures in contemporary rap, he has not only captivated audiences with his innovative tracks, but also with an extraordinary collection of cars. His garage boasts a remarkable selection of luxury and exotic vehicles that highlight his passion for extravagance and top-tier performance. In 2021, rapper Lil Baby captured attention with his extravagant purchase of a Bentley Bentayga, a vehicle that represents luxury and cutting-edge performance. Renowned for its perfect combination of strength and elegance, the Bentley Bentayga boasts a powerful W12 engine that delivers remarkable horsepower, promising an exhilarating ride. Lil Baby's unique modifications to the SUV showcase his distinctive style and status, reinforcing his reputation as one of the most influential and innovative figures in the hip-hop scene. The Bentayga's sumptuous interior, state-of-the-art technology, and bespoke features exemplify Lil Baby's love for sophistication and meticulous detail, transforming it into more than just a vehicle. It's a bold statement of his achievements and lavish lifestyle. To celebrate his swift ascent in the hip-hop world, Lil Baby showcased his success by acquiring a stunning 2018 McLaren 720S. This high-end supercar not only represents his financial triumphs, but also highlights his enthusiasm for top-tier performance vehicles. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the 720S can soar to speeds exceeding 212 miles per hour, proving to be a powerhouse on both the streets and the racetrack. Its sleek aerodynamic silhouette and cutting-edge technology mirror the rapper's innovative approach to music and lifestyle. Custom modifications and personal touches emphasize Lil Baby's distinctive style and his desire to stand out in an industry filled with luxury. Lil Baby has expanded his impressive fleet of luxury cars by acquiring a 2020 Bugatti Chiron. This addition not only emphasizes his remarkable success, but also his passion for high-performance automobiles. With an estimated price tag of $3 million, the Bugatti Chiron represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, featuring a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine that produces an incredible 1,479 horsepower and can reach a breathtaking top speed of 261 miles per hour. Beyond its sheer power, the car boasts a lavish interior equipped with cutting-edge technology and exquisite craftsmanship, embodying both speed and elegance. Lil Baby's possession of this hypercar not only showcases his financial prowess, but also his admiration for exceptional engineering, reinforcing his reputation in the realm of luxury and style. Lil Baby's 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo is the ultimate symbol of luxury and performance, perfectly mirroring the rapper's achievements and love for speed. This striking supercar is powered by a formidable 5.2-liter V10 engine, generating an astonishing 631 horsepower, enabling it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds. With its state-of-the-art aerodynamics and innovative driving features, the Huracan Evo promises an exhilarating yet smooth ride, perfectly suited to Lil Baby's dynamic lifestyle. Inside, the car impresses with its high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and a design that prioritizes the driver, radiating an air of exclusivity and elegance. This remarkable vehicle not only enhances Lil Baby's persona, but also highlights his passion for both speed and sophistication. If you had to pick just 3 cars from Lil Baby's collection to own, which would you choose? and why? Drop your dream trio in the comments below. Lil Baby has captured the spotlight not only for his musical talent, but also for his remarkable collection of luxury vehicles, with the 2018 Mercedes-AMG GT-R standing out prominently. This high-performance sports car is a true testament to power and precision, featuring a meticulously crafted 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine that unleashes an impressive 577 horsepower. Its bold aerodynamic design, signature Panamericana grille, and exceptional driving dynamics create an electrifying experience that aligns perfectly with Lil Baby's dynamic lifestyle. Inside, the cabin combines luxury and sportiness, showcasing premium materials and state-of-the-art technology, which highlights the exclusivity and prestige of this automobile. An ideal match for someone of Lil Baby's caliber and success in the music scene. If you are enjoying this tour of one of Lil Baby's most impressive car collections, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exclusive looks into celebrity garages. Drop a comment below letting us know which car from Baby's collection is your favorite. Up next is the ultimate luxury SUV, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This impressive vehicle boasts a price exceeding $400,000, not including the bespoke features that Baby has added to personalize it. The Cullinan stands as the pinnacle of luxury SUV craftsmanship, with each unit requiring over 800 hours of meticulous hand assembly at the Goodwood factory in England. Baby's version includes the extended wheelbase option, offering even more room for unparalleled comfort. Its advanced air suspension system allows the body to adjust by several inches, making it versatile for city driving while also ready to conquer rugged landscapes with elegance. The striking black-on-black color scheme gives it a formidable presence, complemented by eye-catching 24-inch Vergaccio wheels. Inside, luxury reigns supreme, featuring a starry ceiling and an abundance of leather that would make any cow farmer uneasy. The custom ambient lighting system sets the perfect mood for any occasion, while the refrigerated center console ensures drinks are always served at the ideal temperature. This is undoubtedly the vehicle he chooses when he wants to turn heads at industry events. When it comes to traveling in luxury, Baby's Maybach S680 sets the standard. This elongated sedan doubles as a mobile office, boasting reclining rear seats and fold-out tables for ultimate comfort. The S680 showcases the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship, powered by a meticulously crafted 6.0-liter V12 engine that delivers an impressive 621 horsepower while maintaining a serene quietness. With an extended wheelbase that adds an extra 7 inches of legroom in the back, it's ideal for those lengthy journeys between performances and studio work. The air suspension is finely tuned to offer what Mercedes describes as the magic carpet ride, with a starting price of approximately $215,000 before any customizations. This vehicle is more than just a means of transport, it's a bold statement. The rear champagne cooler and massage seats make it the ultimate choice for long trips. Baby's specific model features the exclusive manufacturer customization program, showcasing hand-stitched leather and bespoke wood accents throughout. The integrated 4D sound system includes seat speakers that vibrate in harmony with the music, providing an immersive audio experience that's perfect for previewing new tracks. This might just be the standout piece of the entire collection. Lil Baby's Ferrari SF90 Stradale epitomizes the height of Italian automotive excellence, featuring a twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors that deliver an astonishing 986 horsepower. This engineering wonder can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.5 seconds, securing its place among the fastest road-legal cars ever made. Its hybrid system allows for quiet, all-electric driving for up to 15 miles, ideal for those early morning getaways when you want to keep the noise down for the neighbors. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis not only reduces weight, but also enhances structural integrity. Dressed in the iconic Ferrari Rosa Corsa red, this hybrid hypercar comes with a price tag exceeding $625,000, which feels almost justifiable when considering it's Ferrari's most powerful road car to date. With its all-carbon fiber design and striking butterfly doors, it's a true showstopper, even in a city like Miami, where exotic cars are everywhere. Lil Baby chose the Sato Furano package, which includes titanium springs, carbon fiber wheels, and a unique livery that pays homage to Ferrari's racing legacy. Plus, the custom luggage set is perfectly tailored to match the luxurious interior leather. Showcasing his passion for American muscle, Baby proudly includes the C8 Corvette in his lineup. With its mid-engine design and striking angles, it resembles a European exotic more than a traditional Chevy, which is precisely what makes it remarkable. This model is the Z06, equipped with a flat-plane crank V8 that can rev up to 8,600 RPM and delivers an impressive 670 horsepower. Its active aerodynamics package creates more downforce than any previous Corvette, while the magnetic ride control suspension adjusts to road conditions a staggering 1,000 times per second. The carbon fiber wheels also help to cut down unsprung weight by 41 pounds compared to the standard aluminum options. Dressed in a vibrant yellow with sleek black accents, this car certainly commands attention. Priced at a base of $80,000, it may be one of the more budget-friendly vehicles in his collection, but don't underestimate its capabilities. It performs like cars that cost 3 times as much. Baby's C8 is enhanced with the Z07 Performance Package, featuring carbon ceramic brakes and improved aerodynamics, along with a custom exhaust system that amplifies the V8's aggressive roar. Inside, the cabin has been fully reupholstered in high-quality leather, complete with yellow contrast stitching to complement the exterior. If you were Lil Baby, what would be the next car you'd add to this incredible collection? The automotive world is constantly evolving, with more releases like the Lucid Air Sapphire and the upcoming Tesla Roadster promising to shake things up. What do you think would complement his current lineup? Lil Baby's stunning car collection showcases his extraordinary achievements in the music world. Valued at around $5 million, this selection of luxury and high-performance automobiles underscores his sophisticated taste and love for top-tier automotive craftsmanship. From the opulence of the 2021 Rolls-Royce Cullinan to the raw power of the 2020 Bugatti Chiron, every vehicle embodies a unique aspect of his vibrant character. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at Lil Baby's incredible car collection, from Italian exotics to American muscle, from luxury cruisers to track weapons. This garage has it all. It's a testament to his success and his passion for automotive excellence.